Good evening, everyone. So for today's topic, I will present the IPYNB. So in this dataset which came from insurance CSV contains 1938 entries detailing demographic and insurance related information of policyholders. It includes variables such as age, gender, body mass index, BMI, numbers of dependents, smoking status, geographic region, and insurance charges. So the data we have are age numeric, present the age of the policyholder, range to 18 to 64 years. Uh, For the sex, categorical specifies the gender male and female. BMI numeric represents the body mass index, a measure of body fat based on height, weight, and range approximately 16 to 53. And for the children, numeric indicates the numbers of dependent covered under the policy range to 0 to 5. Smokers, categorical denotes smoking status, yes and no. Regional region categories indicates the residential region, southwest and southeast, northwest and northeast. Changes numeric presents the insurance premium cost range approximately 1,121 to 63,770. So what are the types of data? So the types of data we have integer age children, float BMI charges, and categorical sex, smoker, and region. For the second slide, the key insights in our data, age most policyholders are middle age with an average age of 39 years. So BMI, the average BMI indicates that many policyholders fall within the overweight categorical BMI to 25. Children, a majority of policyholders have num 0 to 1 dependent smoking. And so, what do you call that one? Changes smoking status has a significant influence on insurance charges. So in the region distribution, the database is eventually distribute across the 4 regions. So for the third one, the purpose of data cleaning is to get our data ready to analyze and visual. So first, combining method DF is null and open and close parentheses. Then sum. Well, we can sum up all the missing values for each variable. So luckily, there are no missing values in this data set. As you can see, we will now proceed to analyze the data, observes patterns, and identify outliers with the help of visualizations method. We found that the database has only one duplicated observation. So we use the drop duplicate method to drop the duplicate data. So at the next slide, the notes of a script to help you land your message clearly, and notes can be added while editing your presentation and are displayed in tele teleprompter and presenter view while recording. So for this slide, an univariate analysis involves examining each variable individually to understand its distribution, central tendency, and variable. In the gender chart, in containing the gender of the policyholder, male and female, the value count of male is 676, which is a 50.6% of the data, and female 662 and 49.4%. The dataset has a balanced gender distribution, ensuring no gender-related bias. So in the children chart, as you can see, it contains the numbers of dependents covered by the insurance policy. There are 574 who has no children, which is 43% in the data, and 324 who has one child, and which is 24.2% in the data. 240 who have two children, which is 18%. In the data, we have 157 who have three children, which is 1.9% in the data set, and 19 who have five children, which is 1.3% in the data. In the majority of policyholder, uh, ha- we have no dependent, which is 43%, followed by those with one or two dependent. Very few policyholders have more than three children. So in the smoker chart, in it indicates whether the policyholder it is a smoker or not. There are 1064 non-smokers, which is 79.6% of the data, and 273 smokers, which is 20.4% in the data. Most policyholders are non-smokers, and smokers constitute a smaller proportion, but likely i- incur high changes. So in the region chart, it is the geographical region where the policy holder resides. There are 364 from southeast, and 27.2%, and 325 from southwest, 24.3%, and 325 from northwest, and 24.3%, and 324 from northwest, 24.2%, and the dataset is evenly distributed across the regions, slightly more policyholders from the southeast region. So we move on to the next slide. Bivariate analysis is the analysis of exactly two variables. We use bivariate analysis to find the relationship between two variables. So age versus charges. To understand how age correlates with insurance charges, is a clearly positive correlation between age and changes. As age in insurances, as age increases, insurance charges tends to increase as well. Older policyholder generally face higher charges, possible due to greater health risk. A scatter plot shows that individual age 50 and above tends to have the highest charges, especially in the smokers. Younger policyholders, typically in the 20s and 30s, tends to occur lower changes. In conclusion, there are clear upward trends in changes with age. So the suggests that individual age, they may face higher medical costs, which insurance company factor and premiums. So in the for the last slide, multi multi multivariate analysis interactions between variable to analyze the and combined effects of multiple variable to charges. So the combine of age and smokers status is the strongest predictor of insurance charges. Smokers, especially older smoker, tends to incur significant higher charges, regardless in their BMI. The numbers of children does not appear to strongly interact with the other variable in determining charges in the likely not significant factors in parsing in this dataset. Where plots and scatter matrices help visualize the instruction between age, BMI, smokers, status, and charges, highlighting the non-linear relationship ends in a strong role of smoking. In conclusion, age and smokers' status have the most significant relationship with charges. Older individuals, especially smokers, tends to have much higher charges. BMI contributes increased charges, but not as strongly. As age of smoker status, children and region have minimal direct impact on charges. Based on correlation, the multivariate analysis, the numbers of depend does not significant influence insurance pricing in the dataset. The most notable interaction is between smokers, status, and age, where older smokers occur significant higher charges.